our primary color. I was confused in them. But one day I remembered. Our primary color also our Buddhism color. Sensei! 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 If you're feeling dull or sad, you must chant Namya Rinja, Namya Rinja, Namya Rinja.
Hi, my name is Janvi and I have written a poem on kindness. Never make anybody sad. You're doing something very bad. Always lend a helping hand. With you, God will always stand. In this picture, I've shown a girl who never likes to see anybody sad. She always likes to make friends with others and she always likes to make everybody happy. So, she sees this boy who is very sad and who's always alone and nobody plays with him. So she plans to become his friend. And this boy, who doesn't like to make friends at all, she tells him to come and join them and they become friends.
Hi, I'm Uday. I have made a picture. There are two hands covering a bird and it says, have a heart and hands to help birds. And I don't want anyone to disturb birds and be kind to birds and animals.
Thank you. From class 3rd. I made this drawing on COVID-19. Save the earth from COVID-19. I thank the doctors and policemen for this hard work. We should wash our hands regularly and we should not go outside and break the lockdown. Thank you.
From grade 7 and I made a poem on this epidemic, coronavirus. In the history of the earth, in 2020, a menacing virus had taken birth. This was a way to big change. In each of our lives, there is now a traveling range. We are at our homes, but some people would now have a problem in paying loans. We are using masks, gloves and soaps. Sanitizers outside are our only hopes. Doctors and nurses are working day and night. Like our army, they are on a fight. Policemen are now tired, making us go inside. And we are foolish that we don't listen and run back outside. The death rates have now increased. The people lost their loved ones because of this disease. We all are at homes and the animals made a tour to visit the world and have fun like we have in a zoo. The earth now decided to let the world be in peace and be quiet. Neither there is a protest nor there is a riot. The quality of the air is now improved. The sky is clear, oh earth. What else the changes in the world do you want to do? Thank you.
Patience. So during this whole lockdown, I at least made it. This is my 4th time making it, and this time was completely by myself. A bit of mom's help, with the gas and all. Otherwise, all by myself. So, it has taught me patience. Usually, I'm this type to just budge in between or just say something to someone, even though I don't have patience at all. But this caramel custard, making this has taught me how to have patience.
Mind to be a shining example that this practice works. No doubt, no fear, no limit. For this method is to make Country Club into a new chapter. To double the number of youth division in our chapter. On a personal front, it is to connect each and every YWD to the practice. Do 1 million Daimoku by November 18th and read Kosho each and every single day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth Chatterjee. Been practicing Buddhism for the last 3 years in Delhi. I recently transferred to the Country Club district in Gurgaon. My main determination for May 3rd is to be consistent in my Daimoku, my study, and really show to others, especially who do not practice Buddhism, about the positive impact of practicing Nichiren Daishonin's Buddhism, and really carry the mystic law on my shoulders. And the best way to best way to actually get people to practice, new people to join this practice, is to show through your own life, because actions speak louder than words. So that is my main determination for May 3rd. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Ria and my determination for the year is to contribute more to the district and foster capable people. Also to follow the concept of 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 complaints, 1 hour of Daimoku, 2 pages of study and making 3 people happy each day. Thank you.
Everybody. So in the past, my determinations have been all about getting really good grades or getting really good jobs or being the best that I can be at everything, basically. But this year, my determination is just to be happy and to be extremely grateful for everything that comes my way and for everything that I achieve this year. And of course, I would pray for the happiness of everybody around me as well.
Hi, my name is Vijisha, and since I'm in 10th grade this year, my main aim is to get really good marks throughout the whole year and not let coronavirus or anything like that affect me or my surroundings in any.
Hello everyone, I would like to share my determination. My determination is that I will win in every sphere of life, no matter how tough and challenging the situation gets, by remaining undefeated and hopeful. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my determination is to be more regular with my Daimoku and also build a stronger faith in the practice.
My name is Surbi and my determination is to cultivate a sense of joy every day, which is unaffected by the gloominess around me, and also be able to spread it to whoever I interact with. Thank you.